Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Squad, and today we're going to be reviewing Anti-Gravity, the race car. So, it looks like this. The car's pretty light, but the remote's really heavy. Well, not that heavy, but yeah. So that's the battery there. That is so it says G for ground, off in the middle, and then W for wall, and it actually goes on the wall. So let's show you. And also on the remote it says on off, the ABC on it, and whether you can turn left or right. But I have it in the middle, so it goes up. So let's try it over here. And this is not clickbait. So first you press the W for wall, and it should make this sound. You click it to the wall, and then turn the remote on. See, that's cool, isn't it? That is very cool. But when you're on the ground, you would go on to G, and it just looks like a normal car. Well, it won't work on a carpet, but it'll work on the floor. So yeah. So I've been playing with this for quite a long time. I've just cut it out of the video. I've cut it out of the video, so yeah. And also the next video I will be doing what's it called? A room tour. I just have to clean my bed and that's it. Also, I have a friend coming round tomorrow. Yeah, my room's quite a mess, so that's why I'm doing it only in one place, so yeah. I have cut two more cuts, but they're not anti-gravity. But I have Alvin on his skateboard. This one, that one is the anti-gravity. And I have this one, which is Bugatti with that. So let me show you one by one which is which. So this here is the first one I got. This one I got on my birthday when I was 7, and it works, and I can show you that one. It works. The gravity one I won't show you, but it works. But yeah, I'll show you this one. This one I play in my room with all the time. This one you have to turn it on here and here. Both have to have batteries, telling you that now. Ready? This one works with the carpet. Well, now it's stuck. There's a lump on the ground. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, So yeah, and that's that one. I've been playing with it like an hour, but I cut it out of the video. So yeah, and that's that one. That's the Buckety. That's the make of the car. Hold on, it's backwards. Buckety. Don't know what load of car makes, so I don't even know if that's a real one or not. It's off, that's off. Right, this is the Alvin one, which I can show you. It's pretty dark, but yeah, that's that one. And I will show you that it works. So please, YouTube, go over here. Right. So this one has batteries too. Turn it on there. Also, there's 2 ways Alvin can go. This one doesn't. Hey, Alvin. Hey, stop it. Yeah, and also I can show you the other way, which it goes on his head and his hat and his head. Yeah, get on, stupid head. Right, it still works this way too. Oh no, I fell off. So yeah, that's that one. And I showed you the other one, so I'm going to have to say, gotta go bye because I've got to have my dinner, but bye. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you comment done. Maybe there'll be a prize and I'll reveal it on November on the 11th of November. Okay, because I can still got to get it. Yeah. Bye. Peace. Love. See you all next time. Bye.